As an experiment, I set the browser use open source computer use agent a task, which was an interesting one. I told it to find me someplace I can get 5 10-pound bags of imperial granulated sugar and put it in the cart. This again is using the open source browser use agent on top of GPT-4o Mini in Azure OpenAI. And we learned some really interesting lessons from this one. So it started by opening the browser to Google and searching for this imperial sugar, and it found it at Walmart here. But then Walmart put this interesting popover here, robot or human. Now, this is a robot, and it somehow actually caused the agent to kind of crash. So it got stuck this way, and it could not get past this. And Walmart got ever more insistent about, are you a robot or are you a human? And I imagine that if I had let my agent continue banging on this page, it might have eventually blocked me. I mean, the URL of this thing does say blocked. So I don't know if I try to go to Walmart now, am I just blocked from my IP address? So that's an interesting lesson by itself in how these agents should interact with pages that don't want to interact with them. So then I tried the same task again, but this time I specified, don't get it from Walmart. Get it from someplace other than Walmart. And so now it goes down a really interesting path where it goes to Costco, it finds this at Costco, it puts what it thinks is my zip code, which is actually not my zip code, but close enough, and it doesn't have it. Costco doesn't have this imperial sugar thing. So then it has to make up for this. But, it's gone down the right path, and it goes right back to Google again and searches for other providers of this thing. And then I guess for some reason it goes to the image search. I don't know why. And eventually it goes to this site called Wada, which I don't know how reputable it is, but it's got a cart. You can buy it with Google Pay. And it scans the page, and I think it added it to the cart right there. Now, I had asked for, 5 bags of this, not one, but so it adds to the cart again. And bear in mind, I'm not touching this in any way. This is all doing this by itself. Now, at this point, it seems to want to sign into the account. This is where it gets a little weird. For some reason, it opens Facebook, and I guess it's going to sign me in with Facebook. So this is another potential hazard of a computer use agent, is that now this is going a little rogue. Like, why is this thing logging into Facebook or trying to? And if I had let it continue, it might actually have somehow succeeded if my credential was saved in the browser. So that is an interesting lesson that we learned from this.